What should I say?
Nothing.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
How would you describe the weather today?
It's quite miserable. Enough for me to have to wear a hoodie. It was thundering and lightning earlier and raining, but we're gonna go to the supermarket just to buy Curiously Cinnamon now.
I might buy something.
Let me go get an
too.
umbrella.
Oh yeah. How do you describe the weather today?
People need to get used to the YouTube life.
It's true.
Like, people just need to accept that people film things now. You know? It's for the memes. Oh, it's raining.
It's proper raining.
Tomato.
Maybe I shouldn't have all my Puma slides. See, this is egg, the right here.
What's up?
For the egg.
I'm gonna give you a beat, you're gonna rap. Ready?
Ready.
About the weather.
I see the rain. It's really, what a pain. You okay, ready? Today it's raining, oh what a day. Gonna go out and get paid. Not really, cause no one will hire us. Okay, let's just retire. Bus. Maya, ready? You ready to rap?
Rap
About the rain.
Wait, what are we rapping about?
The bloody rain.
Wow. I'm really at there.
Alright.
Can I sit down?
I'm sorry. No, it was me. I did that again.
Water isn't wet.
Don't come for me.
Oh, it's not working.
It is wet.
No, it isn't.
It's
It makes
water
things
isn't
wet. It makes things wet.
Okay, listen. Water is wet.
Yes, water is wet.
I mean, water is not
There you
wet.
go. There we done.
Water is not wet. Water is not wet. Water.
Oh,
cannot
yeah,
wet
yeah.
Water.
So water, this water isn't wet, but me putting my foot in it, now my foot's
Now
wet.
you're
I can't remember what side I was on. Like, okay. Well,
Look at that, like that is so cool, isn't it?
It's like the heavens are upon us. You gotta love that, Tamaya, right?
Yeah.
Of course.
I fell from heaven.
Oh.
But you don't believe in it?
True.
Tamaya, what are you gonna get?
Excuse me, this is my job.
I am gonna get the Monty's burger.
Okay.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the tomato basil soup and half a grilled chicken with fries. What are you gonna get?
Who knows?
Mysterious. Yeah.
Yes!
That angle you got of me earlier, down there, was really unflattering.
When?
When I was crouched down. I bet it's okay, I don't mind. No one watches your videos anyway.
I watch them. Thumbs up, like and subscribe for more top quality content. Top.
I'm gonna make some popcorn.
Yeah. Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, can I have some?
Oh my god, what flavour?
I don't know.
I really hope it's sweet.
That's what you're into.
Go ahead and move along. Go make the popcorn.
I'm making the popcorn. Can you not hear it pop?
I'm deaf. Stop. You're embarrassing me. It's popping. So that reminds me of those exams. It feels like weeks ago. Why is there water? Why is there
No, it's butter, it's butter.
Yeah, but why? I messed up.
Wait.
Who told me to take it out? You told me to take it out.
What? I just said it's
Put it back in
exploding.
Oh, there's my milk.
Why would I lick it? You need to take out the already made.
Okay, give me another bowl then.
Fine. Wait, when did you even find popcorn?
I just found it. Don't question.
What a great time to find it. What a great time to be alive.
You always look ridiculous.
I wasn't fabulous, that's why I'm famous. Lucy just recently joined our gang of famous people.
Okay, come on. Gang pictures. Lucy in the middle. She's on you as member. No.
I'm short though.
You got the bottom. You go on that side. Lucy in the middle. Okay. Back to back.
Why am I here?
If I can work it, you can work it.
Okay, now don't touch.
Did you just assume my gender?
Oh! Okay! Burning me!
Now we just have more washing up.
You were the one who suggested to put it in another bowl.
Do you guys hear this right now? I can't believe she just said that.
Well, it's difficult, hard.
I'm no different to Zoella.
This segment is called.
Okay, you need to get out of my segment.
This segment is called Lucy drinking a glass of milk.
I was gonna come up with something more creative, but
What's
yeah, that's
that
it.
called?
Next
Don't
time
show her.
on
She's gonna fucking
Lucy
watch it.
drinking.
What do you mean she's gonna watch it?
I'm done with this segment. It's done. It's over.
So guys, oh guys, look, my boyfriend said I love you. He's called Cameron. I hope he doesn't see this video. I doubt he would. But even so, he knows what I'm like, so it's okay.
Are you gonna sit like that the whole time? Because it's really annoying.
Let's refresh the rules for our viewers.
No. Everyone knows how to play Uno.
Yeah.
Well, I haven't played it in years. I played Monopoly yesterday.
You just matched the
No,
number.
you didn't.
I'll just watch you guys.
You can't play two-player Uno.
Here you can.
No, you can't.
You
Don't
learn
take
something
them
new
out.
every day, guys. So, is it numbers or commas? Numbers, right?
Can I have a segment
Wait,
on
why are
your
you
YouTube
drinking
channel
milk?
called Lucy Drinking Milk? Yeah.
Do you like calcium?
No, I like milk. Is it?
Every time you drink milk,
Lucy
you have
drinking
to
milk.
do dare. So,
The only one drinking milk. I would be the only one doing the dare.
exactly.
Why don't I do a little interview?
Oh
All right.
God.
We're interviewing you.
Tamaya, what do you think your best trait is?
I think my best trait is my confidence, because not only would that help me in the workplace, but it will help me when I'm trying to make friends. So I don't really like many people, because I just think people that I don't like are a nuisance and are just a burden in our society. Like, I like you guys, so it's okay.
Oh, that's perfect.
But if I don't like you, you'll know it. If you ever have to question why if I don't like you, I probably don't like you. So don't talk to me.
What's your favourite hair colour?
Ooh. Probably chestnut or brown.
What's that? Is that
Like your hair colours. Like you're brown, you're like brown. Because I think that it's just, I don't really like blonde hair.
Do you believe that blondes have more fun?
Of course not.
do you like long eyelashes or short eyelashes?
You're only asking me this because it's an obvious question.
No, it's
No,
not.
it's not. Some people might like short eyelashes.
What do you mean, on a boy or on myself?
In general.
Do
Long
you just assume there's
eyelashes.
only two genders?
Don't start with me. Actually, I was talking about this with Cameron the other day, and he's like, "There's only two genders," and I was like, "No, there's not."
gender neutral.
Yeah, I was like, "There's four genders.
And then there's
female,
and then
male."
there's one where you don't have a gender.
Gender fluid,
Yeah, there's
agender.
female, male. There are hermaphrodites. There are people that don't have a gender, like gender fluid people.
Gender fluid people change their gender.
Exactly.
What do you think your best personality trait is?
Oh, that's a hard one.
You're very kind.
Oh, thank you.
No, it's her. What she thinks.
I know.
I don't really think anything. So yeah.
I think.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll say.
What's your favourite hair colour?
What,
Just
this is
about
Questions.
Okay, Lucy, what's your favourite hair colour?
I don't have one.
Long eyelashes or short eyelashes?
It doesn't matter.
Do you like eyebrows that are done, or like? Do you like what type of eyebrows do you like?
I don't care.
You
I don't
didn't ask me.
No, I don't really look at eyebrows.
Me neither. Like some people are like first thing I look at her eyebrows, but like no. I don't even notice my eyebrows most of the time, let alone someone else's. Huh?
No, but I notice if someone like doesn't have eyebrows.
Like, yeah, everyone notices that
I don't.
because they look like XXXTentacion when he shaved his eyebrows off.
But he's dead now.
It still doesn't mean
That
he
doesn't
didn't
change
shave
the
his
fact that he
eyebrows
shaved his
off.
eyebrows off.
Oh, Jeffrey started that.
Yeah.
Listen,
yeah,
I'm the one that's been mourning his death, so make it sound like.
But you said he's not even dead. And then he's
When the
Okay, we're changing topic because this is an iffy topic.
Why do I look paler than you?
Because you are.
No, I'm not.
That's the
Because I'm wearing a white shirt and it makes me like.
That should make you look more tired.
Yeah.
So.
Let's talk about wood. There's mahogany. There's oak.
Reminds me of Mr. Dice.
I loved him so much.
The
He
only
loved
type
it.
of tree I knew was the bleach one. The
Were you in my class?
Mr. No, but I had him for like one term, and he was
loved
creepy.
him. He was
No,
so
he loved
good.
me.
He was such a good.
It's all okay.
My eyes were like they're just going everywhere.
Okay.
So we went to the grocery store. We bought
So like curiosity syndrome, but they didn't even have it.
And
We
Emma.
didn't want to make the decision for you. We had to do it like collectively. Otherwise, you just come down and be like, "We're going out for breakfast."
And then I would have been like, okay.
Oh, okay.
I literally said, "I'm sorry, I woke you up. It was her fault."
Yeah, I understand.
Are you kidding?
Do you want to do my meditate app?
No.
Headspace.
Australian?
It's sponsored.
Is he Australian?
No, he's like, hi.
Is
Welcome
he
to
English?
Headspace. Yeah.
That's not relaxing.
It is.
What is
What's
it?
that noise?
Tamaya breathing weird.
It's my-
No, but seriously, I'm kind of. Yeah, I like your jumpsuit.
Thanks. Same.
Thanks.
I wish they would suit me. They just don't.
Yeah, they do.
No, I'm short.
Oh yeah, imagine.
What does that mean? Do you want to fight? I'm ready. I'll fight.
No, I'm just saying, like,
I
your
feel
torso is so
this-
small, the top half probably got to your head. What topic should we talk about next?
Let's
If you say love one more time.
Yeah, we've already talked about that.
let's talk about the earth.
Okay.
Okay.
Like ground.
So
like dirt.
Partridge now believes in God
How is that
No,
to do
I
with the
said I was
earth?
thinking
because
about
apparently
becoming a
he
Christian.
created it. Apparently, are you a liberal or literal Christian?
I said I was thinking about it.
So what do you think now?
I'm still thinking about it.
You know, you can think. It's
You have the rest of your life, my
damn.
dear. The rest of your life.
Don't touch
But just like, please make a sensible decision.
By that she means
Be an atheist.
Wow, I didn't even.
My elbows always look so pointy when I wear t-shirts. Look at it. Look at that. So pointy.
It's because you're a model.
It's pretty round.
No, it
What
isn't.
would your
Just say
parents
that.
do if you became a model?
My mom would be like, "Oh, I always thought you could be," and my dad would be like, "What the hell?" Stop. No, he'd be like, he'd say that to my mom. He wouldn't say anything to me.
I wouldn't do it for me either. There you go, she made a jingle
That
for you.
sounded so good.
Hi, Petri's.
Hi, Partridge. Hi, Partridge.
Comment down below what type of milk you drink and what your favourite
Semi-skim gang.
Oh.
Do you guys drink purple milk?
What?
Like purple cap milk.
Oh, well then it's...
What the fuck is it? Because on Ocado they don't sell that. And I know you shop at Ocado or Waitrose. Ocado.
Waitrose.
You go into Waitrose and shop. Go on Ocado. I can get you a discount. My seller works there.
We have avocado.
Same. Wait, they actually leave the house.
Yeah.
Bye guys. Subscribe down here.